Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how you can download your Snapcode. So in the Snapchat you can download your Snapcode and edit your Snapcode and make changes to your Snapcode or the Snapchat image on your profile to a different color. Basically it's look like in the yellowish color. You can make somewhat changes, you can make it attractive, you can make the changes. For all to do that you need to download your Snapcode. In this tutorial we'll see how we can download our Snapcode. So to download, open your Snapchat app and click on your profile image here, and after that you need to click on the settings. Here you can see the Snapcodes and click on my Snapcodes here, and click on this. See here, again click on this and save to camera roll. So it is saved, it is showing that it's saved. Now you have to go to your phone gallery to find it. So I'm going to phone gallery now. So open your phone gallery. So you can edit the app with your own choice. So here is what just I have downloaded. So this is what I have just downloaded, my Snapcode. So to edit, click on the three dots, and click on edit. So I have few apps: edit with Google Photos or edit with Pixart. Means these are the only two apps what I have installed on my particular mobile and this Android mobile. If you have any editing software, means any editing application what you have on the mobile, you can edit. I most of the time prefer Pixart, and I'll make some changes and again I'll save it to the, for example, I'll keep like this, maybe somewhat like this, and I'll click on this so that it will get edited. So it is somewhat changed, and I'll just save it to gallery. So this is saved to gallery, and again I'll open my gallery. See here, yes, this is what I have just edited through Pixart. So now we need to go to Snapchat. Click on Snapcodes, scan from camera roll. Yes, that's it. How you can edit your Snapcode by downloading it. I hope you came to know how you can download your Snapcodes through this tutorial. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.